Hi guys. Oh wait. Alright, this is Camera Killer 11. Got a very, very special gun for you guys. Mine's ready, right? Get vested. Some of you don't know, today's Christmas Day. And for Christmas I got two Nerf guns. I got the Nerf Raider Rapid Fire CS35. No, CS36. Yes, CS36. And I got a second gun. Now, I'm going to show you guys one thing apart from this gun. You're already not gonna. If I were to show you the other part, you wouldn't have a clue. That's right. I got new. The Vulcan EBF 25. Just a heads up, this gun does not have the perfect accuracy that I like. Take a look at the old Vulcan BF 50. You'll notice that it also had problems with accuracy. And I am actually not loading this gun correctly right now. So, that's probably why they have it. Good, it's pretty good to know. What I'm actually supposed to add onto the gun is this piece, just a container to hold the clip. But I tried it, because this is also a re-record. I tried it before, and the gun didn't really work too well. So, we're changing it up. Goes in over here, comes out over here. We'll find out how she goes, you know? We'll find out. Alright, by the way, when I actually did this the last time, oh my god, we shot the camera so well. The camera almost fell off the table. So, you clear ready. Are we clear for takeoff? Good. You guys can pretty much see it's beautiful. By the way, I call it Betty. Oh, my last test run of this gun, I noticed that the gun shoots. One dart goes softly, one dart goes really rapidly. It's a big gun, you know. Traveling a lot of distance. Did I just fire an empty clip? Alright, we're having some technical difficulties. Let me just see what's going on here. Whoa! Not cool, dude, not cool. Let me just check it. We shot two darts, I believe. Yeah, so we didn't even shoot the second two darts. Alright, so already 4 minutes in. Oh, what the heck? I'll continue. Let's see here. Alright, I'm gonna see what happens when I put the clip on my lap. See if that'll be annoying. It should do something. Oh yeah, that should do. Ready for firing, sir. Sergeant. And whoa, I hit the other dart. Oh yeah, we're working good now. Now I'm making clockwork. I gotta hold the clip on it. Then after a while, it starts to get really good at this. I hit it. Okay, that's good. That was right in my gills. Since I'm probably not going to get another type of shot. Once I'm on the last dart, I'll show you what it actually so I'm going to show you right now what it actually looks like when I get shot. So, I wish you goodbye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my outro. And Merry Christmas.